See how things are going out here. It's been a while since we've been out here. It looks like we got some things happening with the jalapenos. Poor tomatoes. What's going on? Looks like they might be struggling a little bit. Not sure what to do. Any tips? Please leave me a comment. Whoa, 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 whoa. Got some progress happening out here. Okay. 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 Alright. Doing a few things over here and this one here. Looks like the green peppers are doing good. Back to these tomatoes. Wow. They really are. This one seems much healthier than the other one. I'm gonna have to take a look at the soil. Let's see what the cucumbers are doing. What's happening over here? It's been a while since, well, it looks like they're taking over the onions. We're probably gonna have to move the onions. There's 2 of them here. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Please tell me you guys see that. Oh my goodness. I got a cucumber. And look at how big it is. Oh my goodness. Space in there so I can see it. Whoa, if there's one, then there's many. Oh my goodness. Look at how big that cucumber is. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a go. Look at that cucumber there. We got some progress happening.